Good morning, children. Now I'm going to take EVS subject for second standard annual examination division, children. Roman letter 1, I took fill in the blanks. Roman letter 2, yes or no. And Roman letter 3, match the following. I finished in the previous class. Now I'm going to take Roman letter 4, choose the correct answer. First one, clay, C-L-A-Y. Clay is a dash material, M-A-T-E-R-I-A-L. The options are A, natural, N-A-T-U-R-A-L. Next one, man-made, M-A-N, man, M-A-D-E, man-made. Next option, synthetic, S-Y-N-T-H-E-T-I-C. The correct answer is natural. Clay means Kaliman. So natural material. N-A-T-U-R-A-L. Clay is a natural material. Next one, belt, B-E-L-T. Belt is I-S is M-A-D-E. Made from dash. The options are A, leather, L-E-A-T-H-E-R, leather. B, wool. C, jute, J-U-T-E. The correct answer is leather. L-E-A-T-H-E-R, leather. Third one, fishermen use me to catch. F-I-S-H-E-R, fisher, men use me to catch fish. Option is C-A-T-A-M-A-R-A-N, catamaran. Next one, bus. Next one is train, T-R-A-I-N. They use catamaran, okay, to catch the fish. C-A-T-A-M-A-R-A-N, catamaran. Next one, I am used by the A-R-M-Y, army, to save people, P-E-O-P-L-E. The options are A, scooter, S-C-O-O-T-E-R, scooter. B, aeroplane, A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E, aeroplane. Next one, helicopter, H-E-L-I-C-O-P-T-E-R. The correct answer is helicopter, H-E-L-I-C-O-P-T-E-R. Clay is a natural material. Belt is made from leather. Fishermen use me to catch fish, catamaran. I am used by the army to save the people, helicopter. Fifth one, take your EVS classwork and write, children. Then only it will be easy for you to read at the time of examination. Finish, children. Fifth one, O-U-R, our national, N-A-T-I-N-A-L, our national tree is dash. Options are PALM, palm tree, banyan tree, mango tree. MANGO, mango, TREE, tree. The correct answer is, our national tree is banyan tree. BANYAN, banyan tree, TREE, tree. Sixth one, dash followed, FOLLOWED, followed the path, PATH, path of non-violence, VIOLENCE. Who followed the path of non-violence? Mahatma Gandhi ji only. Okay, the options are JAWAHAR, Jawaharlal Nehru. Next one, Mahatma Gandhi ji, MAHA, Mahatma Gandhi ji, GANDHI, Gandhi ji. Next one, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The correct answer is Mahatma Gandhi ji. MAHAT, GANDHI. Mahatma Gandhi ji followed the path of non-violence. Next one, in groundnut plant, PLA, then they plant the nuts, NUTS. Nuts are seen dash the soil. The options are A, above, under, spread on ground. The option is under. UNDER, under the soil. Eighth one, in the Eruku plant. The flowers are ARER dash shaped, SHAPED, dash shaped. A, crown, B, spherical, C, cone shape. The right answer is crown shape. CROWN. In the Eruku plant, the flowers are dash shaped. Options are crown, spherical and cone. Next one. In insects suck the dash from the flowers. Dash from the flowers. A, milk, B, nectar, C, water. The right answer is nectar. Nectar. Finish, children. Our national tree is banyan tree. Mahatma Gandhi ji followed the path of non-violence. In groundnut plant, the nuts are seen under the ground. In the yerka plant, the flowers are crown-shaped. Insects suck the nectar from the flowers. Tenth one. Kurunji. Kurinji. Kurunji. Bloom. Bloom. Bloom in the dash. Options are A. Plains. Plains. Desert. B. Desert. Desert. Deserts. C. Mountains. 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 The right answer is mountains. 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 Kurunji bloom in the mountains. Okay, children, now we are going to continue. Five. Totally 10 children. Now Roman letter 5. Circle the odd one. First one, sweater, 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 CAPS, caps, socks, 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 then silk, SILK, silk. See which one? This is made of wool, sweater, caps and socks. Then silk is made from silkworm. So you circle this odd one, silk. Silk is odd one. Next one, shelf, 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 door, 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 paper, 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 clips, CLIPS, paper clips, CART, cart. Which one is odd, children? Shelf, door and cart is made of wood. Paper clips are made out of steel. Okay, this is odd one. So you circle the paper clips. Next one, steel, 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 iron, 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 copper, clay. See, this all metals, steel, iron and copper metals. Clay is soil. Okay, so you circle this clay, that is odd one. Fourth one, jackfruit, mango, Bengal, tiger and banyan tree. See here, these are national symbols. Mango, Bengal tiger and banyan tree is national symbol. This one is state symbol. Jackfruit is state. Okay, children, state fruit, this one. So this is odd. January 26, November 15, November 14th. October 2nd, then November 12th. Which one is odd one, children? Here, so here this is our what national festival. January 26, November 14 and October 2nd. This one is odd one, November 12 is. Okay. Take your EVS classwork and write, children. Sixth one. Bus, ship, boat and catamaran. CATAMA. This is vehicles move on water. Ship, boat and catamaran. So bus is a vehicle move on land. So that is odd one. Seventh one. LORRY. Lorry. Aeroplane. 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 Van. 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 And car. 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 Which is odd one? Say lorry, van and car move on land. So this is vehicle move on air. So this is odd one. Okay, children. 7 is there. You write all these 7s. Okay. They can read, children. Then only it will be easy for you at the time of examination. Then we can see, name the following. Finish, children? Roman letter 6. NAME, name the following. FOLLOWINGS, name the followings. First one, NAME, name or national bird. NATINAL, national bird. BIRD, our national bird is peacock. PEACOCK, peacock. Next one, name a public place. NAME, name a public. PUBLIC, public place. PLACE, name a public place. Park. PARK, park. Name a metal. NAME, name a metal. METAL, name a metal. Copper, answer is copper. COPPER, copper. Fourth one, name a plant fiber. NAME, name a plant fiber. FIBRE, jute. JUTE, jute. Fifth one, NAME, name a animal fiber. ANIMAL, animal fiber. FIBRE, wool. WOOL, wool. Name a wooden furniture. Name a wooden, wooden, wooden. Furniture, wooden furniture. Shelf, shelf, shelf. Answer is shelf. Name a vehicle that move on water. Name a vehicle that move on water. 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 Ship, ship. The answer is ship. Question, no? So you put question mark. Eighth one, name a vehicle that move using fuel. Name a vehicle that move by using fuel. Fuel means petrol, diesel. Answer is bus. B-U-S, bus. Ninth one. Name a vehicle that move in the air. Answer is aeroplane. A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E, aeroplane. Finish, children? Totally 10. Ninth one is here. I am writing now 10th one. Finish, children? Name a national bird, peacock. Name a public place, park, P-A-R-K, park. Name a metal, copper, C-O-P-P-E-R, copper. Name a plant fiber, jute, J-U-T-E, jute. Name a animal fiber, W-O-O-L, wool. Name a wooden furniture, S-H-E-L-F, shelf. Name a vehicle that move on water, S-H-I-P, ship. Name a vehicle that move by using fuel, B-U-S, bus. Name a vehicle that move in the air. All right, children, move. M-O-V-E, move in the air, aeroplane. Then 10th one I am writing here, children. Name a national leader. N-E-T-I-O-N-A-L, national leader, L-E-A-D-E-R. Answer Mahatma Gandhiji, M-A-H-A-T, Mahatma, M-A-M-A, Gandhiji, G-A-N-D-H-I-J-I. 10th one I have wrote here, children. Name a national leader, Mahatma Gandhiji. Okay, children, the rest we can see in the next class. Thorough well, children. Take a note in your EVS, then read thoroughly. Okay, this will come for annual examination. Thank you, children.